Okay, now all we want to do is to show you again some information in regards to staying safe. And here we are looking at electric shock. Okay, humans are in electric shock. Now, each person behaves differently to electric shock, but be aware the end result can still be the same, death. Be aware of that, okay? Keep an eye on the health and safety regulations in regards to electric shock. Look at the IE regs. Be aware of that. Let that be your guide. Look at your on-site guide. Keep that in mind, okay? All I'm going to do here is just to go for this, and you can read this for yourself. You don't need me to be reading it to you, okay? Now be aware of the path of electricity or path of the electric shock will take or can take in certain circumstances. Again, this is purely text for your reference and your edification only. Okay? Just going back to pan out a bit so you make sure we get it all in. Okay? Okay, I hope you find this information useful. Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Thank you.